Hello everyone, and welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. Today, we will learn how to see deleted messages on your iPhone. If you accidentally deleted an important conversation, you may be able to recover it from the recently deleted section. To get started, open the Messages app on your iPhone. Once you're inside the Messages app, tap on the three lines located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with additional options. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful tutorials like this. Now, from the drop-down menu, tap on Recently Deleted. Here, you will see all the messages and conversations that have been deleted recently and are still available for recovery. Browse through the list and find the conversation you want to restore. Tap on the message or conversation, then select Recover to move it back to your inbox. If you no longer need a deleted conversation, you can also choose to permanently delete it from this section. Keep in mind that messages remain in the recently deleted folder only for a limited time before they are permanently removed. That's it. You have successfully learned how to see and recover deleted messages on your iPhone. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.